Welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem that Django developers might face. The problem at hand is when you create a form that inherits from UserCreationForm and use a class-based view that inherits createView. But upon running the server and displaying the form, you unexpectedly see a section at the bottom called password-based authentication. This can be confusing and not something you were anticipating. Let's delve into the solution for this issue. In Django version 5.1 and onwards, the UserCreationForm includes a usable underscore password field by default. This field is related to setting unusable passwords for users, which can be handy for scenarios like external authentication with single sign-on or LDAP. Since your form is intended for users, and displaying this field is not necessary, as it's more suited for admin site usage, the solution is to remove the field from your form by setting it to none in the register form class. This change ensures that the password-based authentication section is hidden, providing a cleaner and more user-friendly form interface. To sum it all up, by setting the usable underscore password field to none in your register form, you can easily hide the password-based authentication section that might appear unexpectedly in your form. This adjustment ensures that your form focuses on the essential fields for user registration, creating a smoother user experience. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Who knows, maybe your comment will have me cracking up.